Hello everyone and welcome to the Object Taste tier list. Let's get rid of the obvious ones, first like uranium and lead. Next up, bricks, a little too dry, maybe better with sauce. I'll rate it in B tier. Next up, tungsten, pretty heavy but I chewed it like indium and it tasted good, but let me think about where should I place it. I'll rate it B tier, it's better than bricks. Next up, mercury, I just don't like the taste so. Hold up, let me think about it. C tier or D tier? I'll give it a C tier. Next up, glass, pretty crunchy, not gonna lie. I'm thinking if I should put it at A tier or B tier. I think I'm going to put it at A tier. Next up, sand, pretty dry but still good. I would tier it a tier behind glass, not as tasty as glass. Next up, Einsteinium, kinda taste like uranium tbh. A tier and better than glass. Next up, bar of soap, controversial opinion, I don't like it. I've even tried every flavor. So I'll rate it a D tier, not that tasty. Next up, wood, it kinda pierced my mouth a bit but still tasty. Let me think about it. A tier but behind Einsteinium. Next up, benzene, it tastes terrible. C tier. Next up, gold, it's too overrated. I don't get the hype tbh. D tier. Next up, plastic, it's not that bad. I don't see what the turtle's complaining about. A tier behind sand. Next up, ceramic, pretty crunchy tbh. A tier behind wood. Next up, paper straws, immediate D tier. Next up, rubber, a bit chewy tbh. But a tier behind plastic. Next up, cardboard, very underrated. S tier behind the Einsteinium change. Next up, wires, taste pretty shocking. S tier behind cardboard. Next up, Ophiocordyceps unilateralus, it turned me into Mario and I had to eat uranium and lead to undo it. C tier. Next up, bromine, this one is super underrated tbh. So S tier. It is as good as uranium and lead. Now time for the bonuses. First one, grass, I can see why sheeps eat it tbh. A tier behind rubber. Next up, polystyrene. Let me think where to put it. I changed the grass to B tier. Better than bricks. C tier, not really that good but better than Ophiocordyceps unilateralus. Next up, drywall, tastes good but a little dry. A tier behind glass. Next up, obsidian, pretty sharp, it cut my mouth a bit but still tasted good. So S tier is good as wires. Last but not least, lava. S tier, pretty spicy, it's a good alternative to bromine. There we go. That's the entire tier list. Let me know what you think of it. And also tell me which ones you disagree and agree with. I'm showing the tier list. So that's it. Bye bye.